Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix NBA 2K25 error code 0x887a0001. So, I would suggest to you this first and the most helpful way to fix it. Just turn on hardware accelerator and lower your in-game settings in NBA 2K25. Now if that didn't work, try this solution for the one with the 6 with the error with 6 on the end. It may help you, but I guarantee you that the first one would help you. Go to search bar and type run, hit enter. In the run bar type sysdm.cpl to go to system properties. Click on the advanced tab and in the click settings. Then click advanced, click change, and click box that says automatically manage paging file size. Click custom size, and the initial size and the maximum size, he put 160,000. Click set, then click OK, apply all the way out. Restart your PC and open your 2K again, and that should solve your problem. And that's basically it.